Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to share with you one of the most incredible pieces of audio technology I've ever tested, the Apple AirPods Pro 3. If you love premium sound quality, care about your health and fitness, or travel internationally, this video is for you. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. Let's jump right in. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 feature the world's best in-ear active noise cancellation, removing up to 2x more unwanted noise than the previous generation. I tested these in coffee shops, airports, and busy streets, and every time, they created a complete bubble of silence around me. But here's what really blew me away, the audio quality. Apple completely redesigned the acoustic architecture. You get transformed bass, crystal clear instrument separation, and absolutely stunning vocals. Add spatial audio on top of that, and it's like the music is surrounding you in 3 dimensions. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 also feature adaptive EQ that customizes the sound based on your unique ear geometry. These earbuds literally personalize themselves to your ears. You will find the link of the product in the description, so check out the current pricing and availability. But here's where things get really interesting. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 aren't just earbuds, they're also a comprehensive fitness companion. Built-in heart rate sensing lets you track your heart rate across more than 50 different workout types. When paired with your iPhone, you get access to your Move Ring, step count tracking, and Apple's Workout Buddy feature powered by Apple Intelligence. This gives you personalized workout insights and encouragement while you exercise. For fitness enthusiasts, this is genuinely game-changing. Now, the Apple AirPods Pro 3 also feature live translation powered by Apple Intelligence. Imagine traveling in Italy, speaking English, and your earbuds instantly translate to Italian. The response comes back in Italian, and they translate it to English for you. It's absolutely seamless for global communication. Plus, there's a built-in hearing aid feature with automatic conversation boost, active hearing protection, and even a home hearing test. Battery life is impressive, up to 8 hours with active noise cancellation, or 10 hours with the hearing aid feature. USB-C charging is a huge upgrade, and automatic switching means these instantly connect to whichever Apple device you're using. iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, it's seamless. If you're thinking about gifting the Apple AirPods Pro 3, here's why it's one of the smartest choices you can make. For tech enthusiasts, cutting-edge innovation. For fitness lovers, integrated health tracking. For travelers, live translation and noise cancellation are game changers. Music audiophiles will love the breakthrough audio quality. Remote workers appreciate them for call quality and focus. Honestly, pretty much anyone with an iPhone would absolutely love these. The packaging is beautiful, the experience is premium, and they'll use them every single day. You will find the link of the product in the description. Go check them out. And please subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and product recommendations. Here's my honest take. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 are a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're an audiophile seeking pristine sound, a fitness enthusiast tracking your health, a traveler breaking down language barriers, or a professional demanding quality, these deliver on every front. Are they an investment? Yes. But it's an investment in audio quality, health monitoring, and seamless connectivity that you'll enjoy every single day. If you're thinking about upgrading your earbuds, I genuinely cannot recommend the Apple AirPods Pro 3 highly enough. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature of the Apple AirPods Pro 3? I read every comment and genuinely love hearing from you. Until next time, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.